Monkey coming at you on Wednesday. This isn't going to be much of a vlog. It's going to be really short, sweet, and to the point. I have what you would call the Ontario Secondary School Literacy Test. For all grade 10, you have to pass this test, and if you don't pass this test, you can't graduate high school. Simple as that. And I need to study for it really bad. Even though I don't study, I still need to practice some bits. Oh, sorry. So I don't fail the test, because if I fail the test, then I have to do it again next year, and then, yeah. So yeah, it's gonna be short and sweet. That's all I have to say, pretty much. Literacy test. Fun, fun, fun. I'll come back to you on Friday with a normal vlog. Possibly, Maze Runner, who's my one friend she's a friend of a friend, I guess. And, she said that maybe I should go on a walk or something and vlog with you guys, so I will do that next video. And me and Skills are getting together again because, yeah, obvious reasons, and we have a PA day on Friday. So there'll probably be another Skittles vlog as well, because those are fun ones my friends enjoy. So yeah, so thanks guys for watching. Make sure you comment, comment, like, subscribe. I don't know why I keep doing this, but comment, because I enjoy your comments, and I get most of my friends, but still, I enjoy comments. So thanks guys for watching. Peace out. I'm not gonna say second because that's kind of mean. So peace, and I'll go back to studying.